Hello guys, welcome again. So in the previous video I have shown you how to complete the doctor profile. So let's quickly move to the next steps. So in this video today I will walk you through how a doctor can set his availability in the system so that patients can book appointments with him. First of all, I will go to the calendar, and currently as you can see that there are no doctor timings found for the selected date because I have not added my availability. Let's quickly add the availability are basically the working hours of each doctor. The doctor can set his or her working hours. So basically there are three types of durations, or there are three types of appointments that a patient can have with the doctor. It can be either 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 60 minutes. This is basically predefined time slots. So let's quickly switch this to 30 minutes, and let me turn on my availability for Monday. From Monday I am available from 10 a.m. to, let's say, 1 p.m., and then again I will take 2 hour lunch break, and after 3 p.m. I'm again available. Let's keep it that way. 3 p.m. to, let's say, 6 p.m. Okay, and for Tuesday same timing. Three to 6 p.m. Okay, so I can add for the other days as well, but for the time being I'm adding for only Monday and Tuesday. Let's save this availability. Okay, my working hours are saved. Now let's move to the calendar. And today is Tuesday, and as you can see that for this time these are my total time slots according to my availability that I have set. And as you can see that these the slots where expired is written, it means that these slots are expired and no patient can book an appointment in these slots. Okay, but other slots are available and patient can book appointment, and I can block these slots if I want. For example, let's say I have a meeting or I am not feeling well for 30 minutes or so, I can block that particular slots so nobody can book an appointment. Also I can unblock it. So this is how the working hours of the doctor work here. You can edit them and so on. Okay, hope you understand about the working hours of the doctor. Thank you.